America's youngest Olympian is now America's youngest gold medalist in London. Katie Ledecky, a 15-year-old from Bethesda, Maryland, was the wire-to-wire winner in the 800 freestyle Friday night at the Aquatic Center, upsetting world record holder and hometown favorite Becky Adlington. The rising high school sophomore was the youngest of the 529 athletes the United States sent to the Games. She becomes the second youngest swimming medalist in Team USA history, 77 days younger than Beth Botsford, who won gold in Atlanta in 1996. Ledecky dictated the pace of the long-distance event from the start, flipping first on the opening turn and maintaining her lead until the end. "I just wanted to go out controlled and try to get out there," Ledecky told the BBC after the race.